Hello and welcome to our tutorial on getting started with Raspberry Pi and Java. In this video, we'll cover the basics of setting up your Raspberry Pi and writing your first Java program. First, let's get started with setting up our Raspberry Pi. You'll need to download the latest version of Raspbian, which is the operating system for the Raspberry Pi. You can download it from the official Raspberry Pi website. Next up, you can do so by running the following command in the terminal. Now that we have Java installed, we can write our first Java program. Let's open up a new file in our favorite code editor and type the following code. This program prints "Hello World" to the console when executed. To run the program, save the file as Hello World, Java, and then compile it by running the following command in the terminal. If the compilation was successful, you should see a new file called Hello World class in the same directory. To run the program, execute the following command. And that's it. You've successfully written and executed your first Java program on Raspberry Pi. You are well on your way to becoming a Raspberry Pi and Java expert. Thanks for watching and happy coding.